Oxygen is crucial for life. It feeds every cell in your body. If the lungs don't send enough oxygen to the body's tissues, this is called hypoxia, and it can be dangerous and even life-threatening. Oxygen therapy may be used to bring oxygen levels back up. Oxygen therapy uses a mask or nasal tube, which is connected to an oxygen tank. This increases the amount of oxygen your lungs receive, and in turn, the amount your lungs can send to your bloodstream. You might need short-term oxygen therapy, which can be used to treat acute conditions such as pneumonia. Or you might need long-term oxygen therapy, which helps manage oxygen levels in chronic conditions such as COPD. Oxygen therapy devices may vary, so you'll need to talk to your doctor to learn how to use yours. Long-term oxygen therapy may take some getting used to, but the benefits to your body are breathtaking, or rather, breath-giving.